Okay, so let's continue with our improve phase. So let's share the screen with our PowerPoint. So we finish on the pilot and implement. So after we have all the wonderful ideas to go through the process, what to do, what are the solutions, and all that. We want to have an implementation plan, right? And this is something that I was kind of astonished sometimes that companies don't do that. We presented an implementation plan to a company a few years ago, and they said, "Oh, we never do that. We never have a plan to implement the stuff that we propose," and that is so bad. That is really, really, really bad. What ended up happening in this case is things are postponed, not done in time, people forget, and then you move on to the next shiny object, right? So I'd love to do a very detailed implementation plan so the companies can have it to move forward if they forget, if they don't remember, so we can have some responsibilities there and all that. This is the same example that we had with Cummins turbo plant that I explained to you guys, the value stream mapping we did. So for each improvement, like the 1, 2, 3, remember there was a list of 8 different things. We broke down these improvements into little steps. So, we have conduct time studies, identify bottleneck, increase bottleneck, identify root causes of downtime, implement actions, and visual management board. So this is the breakdown of improved production volume in beta line, right? So this improvement is broken down into 6 different steps, and the other ones are broken down as well. And then you identify this is the 5W2H or 1H, whatever you want to do, but it's basically saying what, where is going to be implemented, who's going to do it, why, when, and so forth, so on. Usually we don't put a when. Sometimes I did put a when in the capstone project, so they have something to kind of grabs to and kind of try to hold it, but sometimes is quite difficult. Having them who's responsible is already kind of a lot of pressure. This is another example that I did with Avaya, which is a phone maintenance and equipment maintenance company on their procurement process. So we kind of identified the process, what was the root cause that were tackling it, what it was the objective, what it was the action, what was the actual status of it, and the prediction, the date for that to be completed, right? And now we're going to go to control in our next week. That's it for this week, folks. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys during the week.